Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a review on an Eastlake axle. I recently broke a Slasher brand axle. I have a 2014 Polaris 570 EPS EFI. It's white. Love the bike to death. I break a lot of axles though, man. I think I'm running 29s, and it might just be too much for the bike. I don't know. I got a 2-inch lift on it, so I think I might have taxed the axles a little bad. Like I said, I was running a Slasher axle on it. I broke it some time ago, and I've just been neglecting it. I've been in the middle of a move and stuff like that. But today, we will be installing a brand new Eastlake axle that I got from Amazon. So guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know too much about this axle. I was told it was going to be more or less OEM style. But opening it up, it sort of looks like a Rhino axle. Looks like it's got heavy-duty cups. These CV boots, man, they look heavy duty. It looks way more heavy duty than the OEM Polaris axles. And I have 2 Rhinos on the front. I think I have 1 Rhino on the back over there, which I don't have to change, just the Slasher broke. But guys, it's a pretty hefty looking axle. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. Honestly, when you put the axle I just took off next to this one, I mean, guys, it's pretty much night and day, the size difference. I did buy this axle for, I think it was $75.99. The axle in the back was $120 from my local ATV shop. But yeah, guys, just the size comparison and the difference. And yeah, the axle to the right, it's completely broken. I'll turn it for y'all. I mean, I can pick it up and show you. Ooh, well, that was the new Slasher. I mean, the new Rhino. No, not Rhino. Eastlake. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so putting the axle in is going to be pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure to push it in until it clicks for that snap ring. Yeah, this is the rear end, and y'all, I know it is very dirty. But it's just, we do a lot of riding here in South Louisiana. And, you know, I really don't want to break out the pressure washer every time, but I probably should. Here's a little overview of the bike. My shop is completely disgusting, so don't judge me on that. But yeah, we're going to click this baby in real quick, and then we'll come back. So this is what it looks like once I got it in. It fit perfectly. Clicked right in. Had to bump it a little bit with a hammer. But besides that, it went in perfect. That's what it looks like on the bike. All right, I'm gonna put the hub assembly on. So guys, this is what it looks like after I got everything back assembled. Yeah, I've always had an issue with these axles being taxed like this, so I'm hoping this boot's gonna be able to hold. Yeah, I really should take off this 2-inch lift. But anyway, guys, this is what it looks like. Pretty big cup though, man. I'm really satisfied with it. And on this side, I got a Rhino on this side, and look at the difference. You really can't tell. Oh yeah, don't judge me on the boot job. Falling on a budget.